So just taking the zinnias out actually made things look a whole lot better. What you see left right there is lemongrass, and I am going to cut that back and make some lemongrass tea rings or lemongrass ties to use. I mean, you can use the rings in cooking or tea, or any recipes that call for lemongrass. But yeah, it looks a little bit better. I'm gonna gradually work on this. I think I'm gonna leave the sweet potato vine for now. I think that I mean, if it keeps the groundhog from eating other things, I definitely, I'm okay with leaving that. But it's hard to say, like, when you companion plant, I think that's the word for it, but like, last year I used marigolds to kind of keep away certain bugs. I didn't really find that companion planting helped me. I don't know if I would have had more pest issues, but to me it felt like I still had a lot of pest issues last year and this year. So I don't know. So this is actually kind of funny. It's been not exactly 24 hours, but look how this corner bed looks now. Like, just take a look at that. I'm gonna come around here. It's all been eaten overnight. Like, just gone. It's very upsetting to me. It's very upsetting to me that this much damage happened overnight. It almost makes me want to just quit for the year. Like, the pest pressure is so bad right now. And by pest, I mean like groundhogs, deer, rabbits right now are just like eating everything in my garden. They're eating the strawberry foliage. They've eaten, I'll just walk over here. So they've eaten the strawberry foliage. They have eaten down my mulberry. Something took the top off of it. Foliage down there. My Swiss chard that I had left is gone. Gone. Strawberries devoured. Holes dug. So I definitely want to come up with a plan next year for between now and next year and start working on it all through winter. They even munched on my mums. So like here, and I feel like this is deer, the work of deer. My Illuminati tower got the top chomped off of it. This has to be deer, because even this hosta bloom got eaten, but they left the firelight tidbits, which doesn't make any sense because I thought deer really love hydrangea blooms. So yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is go ahead and just clean up everything that's left in this bed. Dump this there. Take out the sweet potato vine and just overall clean it up, not leave. I mean, the strawberries are gonna stay, but I've got to figure out some sort of like cage for them to protect them for next year. This year I'm not super concerned because I mean we're not really getting many strawberries anyway right now. So I'm gonna clean it up, but I think next year I want to build some sort of like barrier covered cage to protect them. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So that's all she wrote. My favorite little corner is all deconstructed, and we'll see what I do next year. I don't know if I'll do the same thing, but it's always fun to think about and plan for. I do want next year's to be colorful and bold and the beautiful. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.